Hello future engineers, welcome to Engineeringpedia Education. This video is very important for you because in this video we are going to discuss about OSSC Junior Engineer as well as we will discuss about OSSC Assistant Engineer Examination. Which job is best for you, Junior Engineer or Assistant Engineer, which pay high salary to the engineers? This all details you will get in this video. So if you are new on our channel, subscribe our channel Engineeringpedia Education and install our application Rankingpedia Education from Google Play Store. In our application, you will get syllabus, PYQs, and you can also access YT class notes. So if you are preparing for OSSC Junior Engineer Civil Examination, then you can enroll in our course. What we will be providing in our course, you will get complete ebook notes that covers your entire civil engineering portion. You will get question bank as per the latest syllabus, and also we will include mock test series, that is your 5 mock tests you will get as per the latest syllabus of OSSC Junior Engineer exam. Course medium will be in English. This video does not contain any video classes, okay? And also you will access free of cost test pass feature. So test pass feature contains 3000 most important MCQs for all national examination. So now we will compare about OSSC, JEE and AE. So first aspects is your recruitment and exam requirement. So for Junior Engineer Civil, that is for OSSC JEE Civil Examination, your recruitment body is Odisha Staff Selection Commission. That is your OSSC is your recruitment body over here for Junior Engineer Civil Exam. For eligibility criteria, diploma in civil engineering students are eligible for OSSC Junior Engineer Civil Exam. So if you are from Odisha, if you want to apply for Junior Engineer Civil Exam, then your eligibility criteria requirement is, that is mentioned, that is your diploma in civil engineering. So if you have completed diploma in civil engineering, then only you can apply in this job. Next is your exam. So exam is conducted through Combined Technical Service Recruitment Exam, that is your CTSRE. That is conducted by OSSC Odisha Staff Selection Commission conducts this exam, Junior Engineer Civil Exam. And for Assistant Engineer Civil Exam or AE Civil Exam, this exam is conducted by Odisha Public Service Commission, okay? So Assistant Engineer Civil Exam is conducted by Odisha Public Service Commission, and your Junior Engineer Civil Exam is conducted by OSSC, that is your Odisha Staff Selection Commission. Next point is eligibility criteria. So for Assistant Engineer Civil, your eligibility criteria is mentioned, that is bachelor's degree. If you have completed BE or a BTech in civil engineering, then only you can apply for Assistant Engineer Civil Examination. Selection method is generally through written examination plus interview, or in some cases, in some department, the recruitment is through GATE scorecard plus interview. So this was all about recruitment and exam requirement. Next aspect is your job role and responsibility. So for junior engineer, works on site supervision, your project execution, support and day-to-day technical work are involved in your junior engineer post. And also focus on project works, quality control and assisting higher officials. Higher officials like your seniors. So junior engineer seniors are your assistant engineers. Now coming on to the assistant engineer or AE civil exam. So involves planning, design review, civil project supervision, resource management and technical decision making. Often responsible for policy implementation, as this post is higher than junior engineer. So main work of assistant engineer is mentioned, that is your policy implementation, team supervision as well as budgeting and reporting. So this was all about job roles and responsibility of both junior engineer as well as your assistant engineer. Next point is about the salary. So which have more salary, junior engineer or assistant engineer? So coming on to the assistant engineer, junior engineer we will discuss first. So junior engineer civil, which is recruited by Odisha Staff Selection Commission, which is a group B technical post, okay? OSSC junior engineer civil is a group B technical post, and here your pay scale is level 9. In this, your basic pay is 35,400 rupees to 1,12,400 rupees per month. This is your pay range, and your in-hand salary in your junior engineer civil is, that is your 45,000 to 50,000 rupees per month you will get as an in-hand salary as a junior engineer civil. Coming on to the assistant engineer or assistant executive engineer civil. So this post is higher or senior than junior engineer. So this is recruited by OPSC, that is your Odisha Public Service Commission. Here your pay level is level 12. Okay, approx salary basic is around 56,100 rupees and your in-hand salary ranges between 60,000 to 75,000 rupees per month is your in-hand salary for assistant engineer civil. So for junior engineer civil, your in-hand salary is from 45 to 50,000 rupees per month. For assistant engineer or assistant executive engineer civil, your in-hand salary is between 60,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees per month. So this was all about salary comparison of JEE and as well as your assistant engineer. Now coming on to the career growth and promotion. So junior engineer JEE is a entry level technical supervision post. Okay, with experience and departmental exam or seniority, JEEs can be promoted to higher technical post. So higher technical post like your assistant engineer level or more senior post. Coming on to the assistant engineer or assistant executive engineer civil. So AE or AE is a mid-level managerial grade. So this is a mid-managerial post, and from AE you will be promoted to executive engineer, then superintending engineer, and finally which is the highest technical post, that is your chief engineer. From junior engineer you will be promoted to assistant engineer, then from assistant engineer you will be promoted to executive engineer, then from executive engineer you will be promoted to superintending engineer, and after that, after superintending engineer, the highest technical post is your chief engineer or engineer in chief. Engineer in chief or chief engineer is the highest technical post. Okay, so this was all about salary and promotion. Comparison table I have mentioned, that is recruitment body. You can see for JEE civil, recruitment body is OSSC, that is your Odisha Staff Selection Commission, and for assistant engineer or assistant executive engineer civil, your recruitment body is OPSC, that is Odisha Public Service Commission. Now coming on to the education qualification. So for junior engineer civil, your diploma holders can apply. If you have completed diploma in civil engineering, then you can apply for OSSC junior engineer civil exam. And if you have completed BE BTech in civil engineering, then you will be eligible for OPSC assistant engineer civil exam. Pay band, I have told you, pay band for JEE civil is level 9, that is your basic pay will be from 35,400 rupees, and for assistant engineer your pay level is level 12. Your basic pay is 56,100 rupees. For typically in-hand salary, so junior engineer in-hand salary is in the range of 45,000 to 50,000 rupees per month, and for assistant engineer your salary ranges between 60,000 to 75,000 rupees per month. Exam type OSSC CT SRE, that is your written exam for JEE civil, and for assistant engineer written exam plus interview or GATE scorecard plus interview. So this was about exam type. Role responsibility for JEE civil, technical support and supervision. For assistant engineer or assistant executive engineer, your role responsibilities, that is your planning, execution and management role. Career growth, technical promotions are there for JEE civil, and for assistant engineer your structured growth to EE, SE or a leadership higher technical post, that is your chief engineer. Promotion speed moderate to slow, and for assistant engineer civil, that is your faster with service exam and also experience. So this was all about comparison table. We have compared in detail about junior engineer as well as for assistant engineer. So if you are preparing for OSSC JEE civil, enroll in our course. Thanks for watching.